Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And right now we've got the automatic date, time and the time zone. So to be able to manually set everything, we have to turn off both of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar, tap on done. The same with the time. Here just by swiping we can change the hours and minutes and tap on done. The time zone, tap on select time zone, tap on region. And here we've got the full list of available regions, so just find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately set. Moreover, here we can use decide what kind of clock format we will use. So now we've got the 24-hour one, and if you wish to set the 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher to turn off this option. Alright, so this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.